Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about how to observe the structure of animal cells under the microscope. So here specifically we are observing cheek cells. Now let us see the activity. First, when we start the activity, we need to know what are the materials required for the activity. The materials required for the activity is a clean toothpick, okay? Then here you can take ice cream spoon as well, right? Or toothpick. Then we require cover slip, a glass slide, a dropper, methylene blue solution and a needle. Now what you need to do is, you need to rinse off your mouth with water, okay, properly. Then gently scrape inside of your cheek with the blunt end of the toothpick or a ice cream spoon, like this, okay. Then take whatever you get into the spoon and place it over the slide, glass slide. Then after placing it, right, after placing this cheek cell, stick that cheek cell to the slide, then add some amount of or some drops of methylene blue stain. So that you can, why are we staining here with methylene blue? So that we can see the cells which are colorful. Then you add some amount of glycerin and carefully place the cover slip and remove the excess liquid with the help of blotting paper. Now, after doing so, place the slide under the microscope. Now, you will observe the cheek cells here. Can you see the cheek cells? Here you can see the cheek cells. The cheek cells are which are appearing blue in color. Okay. The cheek cells are appearing. Here you can see the cheek cells are appearing blue in color. So these blue color cells are the cells which are found in the human cheek cells. So what do you observe here? You see that they are polygonal in shape. Okay, each containing a dark and round. Okay, you can see if I zoom it, you can see they are having a dark color center. You can see dark color center. Then you can see this dark color centers. Okay, this dark color centers. Then animal tissue, okay, like the lining of the mouth, are made of cells, and this includes the cells. You all know that they contain cell membrane, then cytoplasm, then these dark dots which you see, that is nothing but nucleus. And there are many other organelles of the cells. So did you understand how to study the cheek cells under the microscope? Right? Did you find this information interesting? If you find this information interesting, subscribe our channel, like our channel and share it with your friends.